Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and loaded with features. Features also include anti-lock brakes, traction control, rear view camera, tire pressure monitoring system. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2013 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.